equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the original cable on your Thermomix TM6. This task requires some basic tools and a bit of patience, so let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM6 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely disconnected. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious as there may be some internal components that could be dislodged. Take a moment to inspect the internal wiring and ensure there are no visible damages. Now, locate the original cable connection. You will see where the cable is attached to the main board. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the cable close to the connection point. Make sure not to damage any surrounding wires or components. With the old cable removed, it's time to prepare the new cable. Strip the ends of the new cable to expose the wires. You will need to connect these wires to the same points where the original cable was attached. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Once the new cable is ready, connect the wires to the main board. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. This is crucial for the safe operation of your Thermomix. After connecting the new cable, carefully replace the base cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the plastic. Now, it's time to test your Thermomix. Plug it back into the power source and turn it on. Check to see if it operates correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough internal cleaning. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, so it's a good idea to keep it clean for optimal performance. If you feel this task is too challenging, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the original cable on your Thermomix TM6. Enjoy your cooking with this fantastic appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.